I am here to do a flip through of this completed journal that is now listed in my Etsy shop. I believe it is about 8.5 by 5.5 if I remember correctly. I'll have the measurements in the listing. I put tissue paper on here and decoupaged over it to seal it, to give it that cool sort of almost like leathery effect. And then I got this from a vendor at like a flea market. I got a few of them. This is the last one, and it's actually genuinely rusty and has all the rustic appeal. Oh, that's right. Here we go. Yep, 8.5 by 5.5, or 8 by 5.5, and it has 4 signatures. It is sort of a Halloween-y theme, like a little bit grimoire, kind of dark. I am trying to get an early start on my Halloween journals. I have one more that I'm working on, and then I'm going to move on to Christmas. I've already started gathering all my Christmas stuff up from all the various places that they've made themselves scarce through the year. This is 1907. This is an actual vintage receipt. This is a digital download. Sorry, words are difficult for me this morning apparently. This is a digital download. I think it's called Witch House or something. I'll link the Etsy store below. And I got these cute little pockets there. This is another digital download that I have. It's just a few pages like this. It's really cute. I've had it for several years. This is a tag that I made. This is a pocket. That's the center of that signature. I did a lot of sewing in this on the pages. I backed them to other things to make them sturdier. This flips out. I put several of these tabs and then put the brads in them with the little charms on them. This is a pocket. Go. Another little pocket here. Did some stenciling and I believe some stamping throughout. I used, I think, a whole paper pack of these bat stickers. I love them. I think I got them from Hobby Lobby last year, maybe. Or not a whole sticker pack. And I'm going to try to find them again this year. They're super cute. The pocket, it's an ephemera in it. What's going on back there? Okay. This is a pocket with this cute tag in there, and then it opens up. You can put something in there. A little bit of coffee dyed paper in here. I had some leftover paper. Now I'm completely out. I'm gonna have to make some more. The double pocket right here. There's a tarot card in there. Next signature, here's a belly band. I usually put these at the bottom of all my belly bands so the pages don't slip through. Oh, here's a pocket. It's a different set of tarot cards. These are larger ones. And here is another journaling card tag. And this moves. This is an envelope. This flips out. This is from a paper pack I'd gotten from, I think, Hobby Lobby. It was like a Twilight themed one. I have just a few pages that never really found their way in other journals left, so I've been using those in my couple of Halloween journals that I'm making. This flips out. I think I got that from Pinterest. And that flips out. You could journal behind there. Here's a double pocket. It's got some cute things in it, including this this little card that I made that you can put in there and journal on. Go. There. This flips out. It's a page from vintage. Oh my gosh, it's like a how-to binder for like woodworking and things like that. I think it's Better Homes and Garden. A couple of journaling cards in there from some of that paper that I had left over from the Twilight pack. A couple little cards in there. Journaling card, more bats, and a tarot card. Then here is the second one of these journaling cards that I made right here. I had a lot of fun making those. I was bored of journal making and I didn't want to work on my art journal, so one day I made a whole bunch of those tags. And it's not really Halloween-ish, but I thought it generally went with the theme. It's kind of cool. Oop. This is a paper bag. Just put some paper in there. And this is the last page. I left both the front and the back side of the inside of the covers blank. I didn't put anything on them because I worked really hard on this cover and I didn't want to cover it even a little bit. So I left it just like that. Here's the spine. And that is it. All right, party people. This is available in my shop. Thank you for watching and stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.